hold onto your keyboards because we've got some electrifying news for you. In an unexpected twist, three giants of the tech world are teaming up to challenge the supremacy of Apple and Alphabet in a key segment. A major battle is brewing in the tech world, and it's all about maps. Brace yourselves as Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon join forces to take on the reigning map kings. In the realm of technology, every move counts, and this time it's not about AI or algorithms, it's a map war. Recently, the Overture Maps Foundation unleashed a game-changing move by releasing an expansive open map dataset covering over 59 million global locations. But here's where the plot thickens. Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon, the titans of innovation, appear to be forming an unprecedented alliance to challenge the map duopoly held by Apple and Alphabet. Let's dive into the details. Currently, Google Maps by Alphabet holds an impressive 80% market share in mobile maps, practically a tech empire. And Apple Maps, with a 10 to 12% market share, rounds out this high-stakes duopoly, leaving little room for other contenders. While the exact revenue from their map products remains under wraps, insiders suggest Google Maps could rake in over $9.8 billion this year alone, with Apple Maps banking on a substantial return from its hefty investments. So, why the sudden alliance? It all started in December 2022, when Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, and GPS expert TomTom joined forces to launch the Overture Maps Foundation under the Linux Foundation's banner. Overture isn't just about crashing the Google-Apple party. No, it's about fostering innovation. The goal? To provide reliable map data to software developers, enabling them to craft their own maps and usher in a new era of digital twins, virtual replicas of our real world.
Go. Nowhere. Except the oasis.
Meta seeks to build its metaverse with Overture's map data, while Microsoft's AI angle could revolutionize map technology. Amazon, always ahead of the game, aims to fuel development using Overture's open map data on its AWS cloud platform. But what's the impact on investors? Surprisingly, the market didn't flinch much at this map war revelation. Alphabet and Microsoft stocks saw modest fluctuations, while Apple and Meta stocks showed slight gains. Amazon stock dipped, but overall, it's not yet a major market mover. So, what's the verdict? While Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon's united front could disrupt the status quo, Google and Apple remain dominant players. Developers might stick to what's familiar, and for now, AI remains the more fiery battleground. As the tech giants battle for mapping supremacy, the overarching battlefront of AI looms even larger on the horizon. While the war for maps heats up, the ultimate showdown may well take place on the front lines of artificial intelligence, where the true fate of the tech industry's future will be determined. In the ever-evolving tech arena, these clashes remind us that innovation is a ceaseless journey, with even the mightiest giants willing to unite and challenge the status quo. The world watches with bated breath as the map war unfolds, offering a glimpse into the shaping of our digital landscapes.